Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing this eye look right here using the new Revolution Magnetize Eyeshadow Pigment. I am going to be using these two eye pigments here. I have the shade green and gold, and I'm going to be creating this eye look here right now. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, then keep on watching. And before you do keep on watching this video and this tutorial, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, so I'm just going to start with this eye look now. I've already done my eyebrows, prepped my eyes, so just go straight in with the eyeshadows. I showed you the magnetized eyeshadows that I'm going to be using today, but I wanted to obviously do a base transitional shade and everything like that before I use them. So I am going to go in with the Makeup by Tammy and Revolution palette. I've already done a video on this palette, so if you want to see that, then go check it out. But I'm going to start with this palette first. I'm going to go in with the shade Nutmeg. I'm just going to put this on my crease. I'm actually just going to take a tad of Nutmeg and Isle of Spice. So I'm going to take a tiny bit of this as well. Just because I feel like this one's a little bit more rich. Oh, see, look at that. Next, I'm going to go in with Majestic. And I'm just going to put this slightly underneath that first shade. I feel like I want to brighten this up slightly. I'm going to go in with Tropical, which is this shade. Okay, so with these magnetized eyeshadows, the two shades that I got were gold and green. I'm loving these already, and I haven't even tried them. But I think these are so cool. Like, if you mess it up, and you tap it, it goes back to its like original imprint. It's just so cool. Okay, so these eyeshadows have a magnet at the bottom. It's good, it's going to drop everywhere. So if you can see that there slightly, you can see that some of the eyeshadow is like crumbled, but if I tap it, it goes back to its original imprint, which I think is so cool. Look, let me put my finger in it just now. It can be like a swatch. So you can see my finger mark there. Quite clearly you can see that it's like ruined it. I've just tapped it and it's like went back into place to its original imprint. It's so cool. And this is it on my finger. Let's swatch this one. That was one swipe. Another one. Okay, that was one swipe. Oh my gosh, look how pigmented that is. I don't know why, but I've been loving green eyeshadow lately. And this is the green. Let's do it here. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that pigment though. Wow. Okay, I don't know whether to apply this with a brush or just do it with my finger. Let's try finger. Going over the green. Oh my goodness. Look how pigmented that is. Wow. Oh wow, that's beautiful. That shade is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, look how pigmented that is. And with this, I haven't even concealed first. I just went straight in with that pigment and wow. That looks beautiful. I think I'm going to use a brush just so I can go into these edges and make it nice and even and not messy. Okay, Wow. With these shadows, I literally wanted to try every shade, but I was like, no, I'm just going to get one and see what I feel, what I think about it first. Now I wish I got them all. And I'm sure they're only like £4 each as well. They're not expensive. £4 for a pigment eyeshadow. Look at that pigment. £4. £4, guys. £4. I am going to need to blend the edges out, so that's so much better. Blended out looks so much more flawless, airbrush, and more smooth, whereas this side looks really harsh. I'm just going back in with the Majestic shade that I used initially, just to blend these edges and soften it out. Now I don't know whether to put a spotlight eye and put gold on it, or just put it in my inner corner. You know what? Let's just try it on it, I think. Let's try it. Okay, here goes. Did you just see that? Oh my goodness, look at that pigment. Guys. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess because it's so pigmenty. I'm loving it. All I really need to do now is add lashes. I also actually want to go in with the new Revolution Pro Super Pigment Gel Eyeliner, so I'm going to use that as well. First I'm going to go away to the rest of my face and then come back so that I can show you guys the rest. Hey guys, so I'm back with the finishing look. As you can see, eyes are done, face is done, lashes on, everything's done. Now, with these Magnetize eyeshadows, I'm obsessed. I am really loving this look right now. I feel like the pigment on these eyeshadows are insane. I'm honestly loving it. I'm loving this look. I also went in with the Revolution Pro Eye Pigment Eyeliner. Just did it underneath, and I went in with my brush and blended it out slightly as well, so it looks quite smoky. And I also went in with the shade Majestic underneath as well, just to smoke it out a little bit more and leave it looking soft and even. Overall, loving the eye look. I'm loving these Magnetize eyeshadow pots, pigments, whatever you want to call it. I'm obsessed. I literally want to go on the Revolution website right now and order even more colours because I actually can't believe how nice they are, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the colour combo. I'm loving it all. For the price range of £4, £4 an eye pigment, what more can you want? What else do you need? That is just everything that you need. Eye pigment, £4, yes. Yes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of this eye look as well. So leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you for another video.